Naya din, nayi subah, and I'm doing something fun and very unique. This is Central Park Flower Valley, and I am in south of Gurgaon, which is Sona Sector 33. So let me show you around this beautiful township. Let's go. So this is the grand entrance of Central Park Flower Valley, and now you're going to see something really nice. So you are welcomed by the Khalsa Regiment here, which is a very unique USP of Central Park. It sets the tone of the township that you're going to see ahead. Now, if you can see on my right, throughout the road, I mean right next to it, सारा आपको green open spaces मिलेगा, and it's not just on the sides but overhead also, on the other side also, which I will show you later. So it's all green that you see around. As we move further along, on my right you'll see a huge water body, and then the construction that you see is the new club, the upcoming Club Volga. So basically it's a huge clubhouse spread over 3 lakh square feet, and it will have all types of amenities and facilities that you can think of. मैंने अभी बस रियलाइज किया कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है एक टाउनशिप में इतना एरिया होना कि आप आराम से साइकिलिंग कर सको, एंड यू नॉट टायर्ड ऑफ द व्यूज. इट्स ऑल ग्रीन थ्रू आउट. सो द ग्रीन एरिया इज नॉट ओनली इम्पोर्टेंट कि भाई वो आपको स्पेस दे साइकिलिंग करने का या डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज करने का, but also it is important for your mental well-being and wellness. Sat Shri Akal. So now we've taken a left, and here it all begins, the magic. So here you are spoiled for choices. Basically it's a resident's dream. One thing I really like here is कि जो भी plots इन्होंने sell किए थे, and those plots which are empty, they've kept it very well maintained so as to blend with the community living here. You might think these are parks, but these are plots actually. How cool is that? Another cool thing to notice, well, these are the villas that I was talking about, and everything here is white. Even in case you want to build a private mansion of yours or a builder floor, it has to be white in color. और कितनी uniformity चाहिए. This is like class apart. Let's go. I'm taking you to a very nice place. You must be in for a surprise. See, again so green. मतलब कौन यहाँ पर रोज साइकिल नहीं करना चाहेगा. मतलब इफ आई वाज स्टेइंग हियर आई वुड डू इट एवरी सिंगल डे. तो यहाँ पर ना सिर्फ आपकी मेंटल वेलबींग, फिजिकल हेल्थ, आपकी स्पिरिचुअल वेलबींग को भी ध्यान रखा गया है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द मंदिर एंड अ गुरुद्वारा. कम, आई विल टेक यू इनसाइड. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई कॉल अ कंप्लीट टाउनशिप लिविंग, कि आपको किसी भी चीज के लिए बाहर नहीं जाना. आई मीन एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. Again, interesting thing to notice, mandir and the gurdwara is also white in color. I mean, you can have a walk here. पूरे दिन आराम से बैठ सकते हो, walk कर सकते हो. It's very nice, especially for the senior citizens and the elderly people living here. They have their nice place to socialize. चले अब मुझे because rest of the township दिखाने, there's so much to cover. So मंदिर और गुरुद्वारे के दर्शन हो चुके हैं. Let me show you Aquafront Towers, Bignonia Tower, Orchard और जो भी बीच में आने वाला है. Let's go, because it's going to be a long ride, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as much as I am enjoying it. Few shops to watch here for your grocery needs. It's a dental care here too. Another green space. Wrong. This is actually a vacant plot, but how nicely they have maintained. You know, that's the USP of Central Park, what you get. Let me show you a very exciting feature for kids especially. This is an upcoming water park. So basically, अब आपको अपने amusement के लिए भी, fun के लिए भी बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. And on my right, if you can show them the boards here, there is an interesting 1.5 kilometer jogging track, which I'm going to show you from the other end of the track. Let's go. You remember when we entered, I showed you a clubhouse spread over 3 lakh square feet. Well, that's not enough. You have outdoor amenities like a tennis court, basketball court. They also have a cricket pitch, which I'm going to show you later. And those are the flamingo floors. I will tell you about those in a while. But what I want to show you is the Medanta clinic, and there's also a hospital coming up and a school coming up. I'll show you the site for the two so that everything is taken care of. Moving ahead, so Flamingo floors. Flamingo floors were launched almost 7 years ago, and they're built according to the older guidelines. So configuration at ground plus two, and herein you get a 2 BHK and a 3 BHK, somewhere starting at 1.50 to 1.70 crores. Let's go, because I have so much more to show. Come, let's go here. I want to show you something unique here. तो मैंने बताया था ना, ये एक टाउनशिप है, इंटीग्रेटेड है अपने आप में, like complete है. So they have their own cafe. Let's go. They have a pharmacy, an ATM. So in case आपको बीच में refreshment चाहिए या अपनी groceries की shopping करनी है, or you want to stop at a bank or a cafe, you have everything. Guys, mango season. And I don't know about you, but मुझे तो ऐसे घूमना बहुत पसंद है, grocery shopping करना बहुत पसंद है, और अगर shopping ना भी करो तो at least check out what else is there in the store. So let's go. That's the cafe, outdoor area. Construction going around, and you'll see the white facade everywhere, so which is really unique. Okay, let's not miss this detail. They have golf carts because it's 250 acres, so obviously you need help to go around, move around. So golf cart for everybody, like who wants. Okay, I need to apply the brakes. In the front that you see are the orchard floors, launched in 2023. These are 3 BHK, plus you get an additional room in the basement. So these 4 BHK typology you get for a 5 crores approximately, and it has a separate clubhouse. We have to take a left because I want to show you the super luxury residential development, high rise Bignonia Towers, which has got 2 towers, tower A and B, and the typology is a 3 BHK and a 4 BHK. And the size, you'll go insane when you hear about it. It is 5,581 square feet. Can you imagine like how luxurious it is going to be? And believe me, I'm going to show you the sample apartments of all the developments that are here, but you will have to wait for that. I mean, expect thoda sa messiness, but isi messiness ke baad you'll feel your dream coming true. So I've shown you Bignonia Towers, orchard floors, once again, white facade. Bignonia Towers is also going to be white in color. So I've shown you Flamingo floors, I've shown you the site for Bignonia, the orchard, and I'm going to show you the Aquafront Towers and the rooms. And also I'll be releasing the sample apartment video tour, but you will have to wait for some time. Chalo. So this is the room, which are studio apartments and 1-bedroom serviced apartments. And behind those are the Aquafront Towers. Let me show you. And this is the entrance. This has its own grand entrance. Very imperial. Come, let's go. A water feature here. Okay, चलो मैं तुम्हें tour देती हूँ. Not of the sample apartment, but एक बारी मैं broad bird's eye view. Come. Doesn't it look like that you're welcomed to a grand lobby of a hotel? There's a cafe right there to give me the caffeine fix. Your private dining room. And behold, you are about to witness something so cool. Like मैंने तो अभी तक गुड़गांव में ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा है. But this is what you get in Sona. Like you've seen in tropical places that you're dining while your feet are in water, but यहाँ पर you can do it where you are living. That's the pool that you see. Aquafront Towers, guys. Hanji, Sat Shri Akal. Let's go because we have still so much to cover. Come. Oh, we have few people coming in. Hello. I loved it. ये अपने आप में एक आइलैंड लग रहा था मुझे. Like once you enter, you can't imagine कि यहाँ पर ये सब भी होगा अंदर. You can imagine it, the best low rise है, plots है, but something of this magnitude, amazing. एक्वा फ्रंट टावर्स देख लिया, द रूम्स देख लिया. अगेन वंस अगेन फ्लैमिंगो फ्लोर्स आपको ये हर जगह दिखाई देंगे. So as I told you, ground floor है, first है, second है. I mean these are beautiful row houses. Let's go. Let me go ahead because on the left I want to show you the Sirais floors. Okay, on my left these are the Sirais floors. ये फ्लैमिंगो फ्लोर से न्यूअर्स हैं, अपडेटेड गाइडलाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग बने हुए हैं, एंड हेंस यू विल फाइंड स्टिल्ट यहाँ पर, यू विल फाइंड लिफ्ट, एंड देयर आर 4 फ्लोर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ द 3 फ्लोर्स. On the right is flamingo floors, on the left is Sirais floors. The difference, floor, one extra floor, you've got lift, you've got stilt, parking in the stilt. Let's go. And let me tell you, Sirais floors mein the standard size is 2 BHK plus a study, and you'll get it for 1.70 crores. Once again, so much of green spaces. मुझे ना glasses निकाल देना चाहिए so that it's beautiful for my eyes. वो कहते ना, is there a yoga or what do you call it when you see it green spaces? I mean, I'm loving it. It's so nice. मतलब I have never imagined कि एक video tour भी इतना अच्छा होने वाला है. So hence the benefits of waking up early. आपको less traffic मिलता है. ऐसी places में से you can take your cycle from, and the morning sunlight, so good, and the fresh air. बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए तो यही डील मेकर है कि यहाँ पर फुल फ्लेजेड क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है. लाइक मोस्टली कॉन्डोमिनियम्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन क्रिकेट पिच और अ बॉक्स क्रिकेट, बट हियर यू हैव अ फुल साइज क्रिकेट ग्राउंड विद ऑल द स्टेडियम लाइट्स एंड ऑल. तो आप जितनी मर्जी देर तक खेल सकते हैं. लुक, आई मीन यू विल हैव टू जस्ट stretch your neck out. We're going inside? Yeah, let's go. I'm excited. Now, recently, cricket is my newfound love, so I'm excited, and I have to play here someday. And you know, fun fact, यहाँ पर almost everyday tournaments होते रहते हैं, informally though. So here I am. तो ये जो क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है ये सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए नहीं है, एक्चुअली खेलने के लिए. यहाँ पर लोग almost every single evening they play here. Obviously हर किसी को अनवाइंड करना है, इवन मैं भी कोशिश करती हूँ कि टाइम निकालूं इवनिंग में, कुछ खेलूं, लाइक आई इंडल्ज इन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्टिविटी, एंड दिस इज द ग्राउंड हियर. So much of green space. Wow, my lungs are happy finally. They're thanking me today for waking up early, for breathing in all the fresh air that I could. Yeah. And to witness this green space all around me. That is so majestic. Now let me take you to the chipping greens and the putting greens, the golf greens, and uske baad surprise at the end of the video. You know, generally what happens is कि अगर टाउनशिप बहुत बड़ी होती है तो cleanliness goes for a toss, but यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत साफ सुथरा है, well guarded है. You'll find security guards at every point. You'll find flowers, trees, the hedges, everything. मतलब इतना spick and span कौन रखता है? Central Park रखता है. Although आसपास आपको थोड़ी मिट्टी दिखाई देगी, कंस्ट्रक्शन दिखाई देगी, बट ऑब्वियसली कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. इट्स अ ह्यूज सोसाइटी, बट या ओवरऑल यू विल फाइंड क्लीनलीनेस. यू नो, जब ये प्लॉट्स लॉन्च हुए थे यहाँ पर, उनका प्राइस था 40,000 पर स्क्वायर यार्ड्स. कैन यू गेस अब कितना होगा? अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 3 लाख. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई कॉल कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन. और ये रेट बहुत ज्यादा सिमिलर है टू द रेट दैट यू गेट इन DLF Phase 3, which is 0 kilometers from Delhi. So sometimes location is not the only thing which is important. The community living is. So it's not the location every time which is the most important thing. Execution, planning, vision, community living, and the post delivery services and the maintenance that you get, बहुत important होता है, and that you can witness for yourself. 2 colors that you see here, white and green. The structure that you see, that's a school, senior secondary school, Vedanya School. Vedanya School is an in-house brand with Central Park. One of the first center that they have is at Central Park Resort. That is a community in itself, जो कि उसका भी मैं आपको tour देने वाली हूँ. Beautiful. One of the most undervalued gem, hidden gem of Gurgaon, which I'm going to show you. later. So we have reached the chipping greens and the putting greens. So you can see you can play golf here. Let me see कि आज मुझे कितना खेलना आता है golf. I've only tried twice. One was the Top Golf, and the second time was while I was shooting for one of the projects. But yeah, let's see how I am going to fare today. Across the jogging track that you see are the beautiful pergolas, but I'm going to take you there later. Usse pehle, let me show you how great the jogging track is. You remember at the beginning of the video, I showed you the beginning of the jogging track. Now this is where it ends there. I mean, it's huge. You've got 1 lane, 2 lane, 3 lane, and then you also have a walking trail here. Do you want to jog with me? I mean, let's not cycle here because it's meant for jogging or walking or maybe just leisure strolling. So this is a stretch of 1.5 kilometers. How cool is that? And I'm sure you can witness yourself कितने सारे पेड़ लगाए, endless of trees. मतलब count भी करना चाहोगे तो शायद नहीं कर पाओगे. And अभी it's a little sunny, but wait for the full bloom यहाँ पर. जब ये grow कर जाएंगे, it's going to create an overhead canopy and it's going to be magical, I'm sure. Now let's go to Pergola. This is something unique. मतलब मैंने तो किसी भी residential development में ऐसा देखा ही नहीं है. It is like I have come to a resort. So they have got these 4 different huts, like huge huts. So this is the place where you can wine and dine, sit, relax, enjoy the music. I believe that's the kitchen and these are the 2 places where you can sit. I'm sure this must be locked. And yeah, this brings us to the end of the video tour and I absolutely loved every part of this wonderful tour. The bicycle ride was really great. The green and the open spaces, the fresh breeze that I could take in, everything was really great. The residential development all throughout was nice. But this is not just the end. Central Park Flower Valley is coming up with few other projects, super luxury, super premium. One is the Celine Towers, which is the studio apartments, and then you also have western floors and few plots also. So stay tuned.